In order to manage any database engine, you need to have a full grasp of its logs. Doesn't matter if you are using a physical server to host that database or a VM or a managed service just like AWS RDS. If you have Oracle database, then you simply cannot manage it if you don't have full visibility into its alert log and the listener log. In order to watch and search in the alert log in the listener log, it becomes a bit hard in RDS. So the idea is to grab those two logs and then send them to CloudWatch so that you could run your CloudWatch inside queries in a familiar way. In order to do that, first you need to make sure that your database is sending the logs both from the alert log and the listener log to the CloudWatch. If you have an existing RDS database, you can simply go and modify it and then check the alert log and listener log and send it to your CloudWatch. You can also select it during the create time. Once that's done, your logs will start appearing in the CloudWatch. And then you can simply select them, and on the top right, you can click on View in Log Insights. And then in Log Insights, you can run your familiar CloudWatch Insight queries. For instance, on the screen, there are two examples of CloudWatch Insight queries. In the first one, we are finding the time frame for our CloudWatch Insight queries in alert log, and in that one, we are filtering it down on various Aura 600 errors and Aura 744 errors, and then we are sorting them with timestamp. In the second example, we are finding the frequency of these Aura errors by using the count static by message operator at the end. And again, we are filtering it down with timestamp and message. And then there are hundreds of variations which you can use to search through your listener logs or your alert log errors. So again, in a nutshell, if you have an Oracle RDS database, make sure that you enable these alert logs and listener logs to be sent to the CloudWatch. I hope this was useful. If you have any comments or feedback, please put them below the video. Thanks.